Shibenta jong kajingalap na kabenta ban penne pensa ya kajingkhoj ka saudong saukun hagishnong kithau ni kajingbot renti ya ka skim jong ka sarkar pedeng kabala penmi thamai kabala tip kum ka swachta hi seva campaign kabala sedang nadu ka khandril trik nailor hadu ka artrik banai risau ka snem arjar arpulai menta ka snem ka wei ni kitanat penmi boarding electric jong kari kabala tip kum ka North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited NIPCO kala shimti ka shnong dimpap ban pulut pisa na kabenta ban penek pensa ya ka jingkhot jing suba jong ka ni ka shnong kamtam ha kabenta baju ya boybha kinong jingok kai perthai kabadon harut ka surak ha kalenti sora kabadon hajan ka jingking duan sing se Maria Light hashnong mau kedok kanip ko kalapin banay kani ha ka jingelang ban pinsngo thu pai ba halor ka jingkho jing suba kabalapulong harut ka surak ba lenti sora ka bahap ka shnong dempep ha ka arterik mentau banay risau arjar arpusaw kasngi ka balanyaw kerpang kum kasngi banyalap pai ba halor ka khot ka suba kabalong ru kasngi kha ba shispa sanbusan jong kpa ka jat ban riu Mahatma Gandhi bat kasngi kha ba shispa arpho jong menteri rang batu barim jong kari Ulal Bahadur Shastri hakini ka jingelang ke editor jong ka kot khubor The Shillong Times ikong Patricia Mukim ilalong ikong san ringkat ka jingedon lang director personnel ka NIPCO Major General R.K. Jha Usketri jong kador barshnong dimpep ubak Louis Nongbri bat kumjo na kaliang kahima sora.
Tengas ngomu shisha ya kaniko bakal asim kia ya kanika kam kapan la ban penne pensa padi tenat ya kanika shnong bat ka saudong saukun jong pi tangba kito ki bade jing de hang ni kidai ban don ka jingkit kle ka bakam kerpang kidai ban keren rui kito kitoris ban pensno thu eki ba mla ban shubret lumar ya ka bam gadi nang tade shirukom la de ban hikai ru ban shet ya ka bam like no tu magi te mentang ila bun ni shu ai be yeki no wan ni shu ai be tang tu magi na mal udep kloy shet kloy ring de ban ai ya ka bagi ong dah ten pareng kita ki local food ki bam ki di jongi nang ni ngila ban hikai ngila ban ai do pu klen do pu tharo nang ta ngila ban persyang ban shet ki jhol ki chep ya ki nak banta gitu ki bam bam do naman ngidai ban persyang hi ban de ya ka jat jing bam la jong da gitu ki jing bam ki bawan na bar.
Few weeks ago or maybe about 10 days ago when I came here with the intention of doing something sustainable for the people of Dimpep, I was in two minds whether will it be sustainable or not. But after having seen the involvement and commitment of the people of Dimpep, ably supported by my colleagues from NIPCO, I am more than convinced that the word adoption that I have used for adopting this place, this tourism hub of Dimpep, I think I stand more than vindicated. So I think a round of applause for the lovely people of Dimpep, please. NIPCO has taken it upon himself, because of our pan northeastern India presence, that we will ensure that we spread the awareness, and in our own little way we will contribute towards assisting the local population wherever we are in ensuring that they have a safe, clean environment to live in. Today the Honorable Prime Minister launched several schemes amounting to 9,600 crores, but what is of importance to our lovely people of Dimpep is that the project Gobardhan, which is mainly aimed at creating some value out of the waste that is generated, that is the bio waste converting to biofuels, is what is of interest to the local people here, and we are committed in our subsequent phases to help So we are trying to give you dustbins, trying to spread awareness. We will train you. We will train you to tell the tourists how to handle the waste. And in that scenario, we will also try and put some equipment which converts bio waste into biofuel and which can be used, and this will also aid the local economy. We plan to make this place as a major tourist hub. We plan, you'll soon see in a few minutes from now, the bridge lit up in tricolor, this whole area done up. We will help the local vendors. We will advertise your local street food, and that's why we have some stalls today. With this effort of ours and with the cooperation of lovely people of Dimpet, I think this will become one of the major tourist hubs, besides generating fair amount of employment for the locals. And I'm very confident with the commitment that I've seen today and for past few weeks that my team tells me of the wholehearted support of the local stakeholders. I am happy to be associated. So when I use the word adopted, it's for perpetuity. This effort of ours is not going to stop just because the Swachhata Divas comes to an end today. Swachhata is a continuum. We have to continue doing it. So as long as NIPCO is there and as long as Dimpep is there, we are here to stay. I, as a soldier, I am giving you my commitment that NIPCO is here to stay with the people of Dimpep. In return, I want is your cooperation, and I'm sure we will make it a paradise on this earth. God bless Dimpep, God bless Meghalaya, God bless lovely people of Dimples, and God bless NIPCO. Jai Hind, thank you.
Hakani kesngi kenipko kala IT ru de kijaka bretnyot syakashnong ban pindon kam hakani kijaka bajuwan baha kinong jengok kai perthai bat ensa aji kai ru ikinong shongshnong kumno ban penbor ki breu ki bawan nabar ban bret ikinyot hakijaka ki balabo kerpang ban penjabo ikasaudong saukun jong kameram au bat lapen pho pen pheng yakani kerensan da kekenhun ruai bat shat jeng ikong silbi pasa Kajingile akai halor rinsan nagakinhon Waste Pickers Association bat ukaitor Desmond Rimaki sun.
Berthei long tang ye trong basa kan men tôi ang yu onio ya kan wajeng dong ora katuk harem pengukon nangka berthei kaspak bakordon ajin yem jong kai de tanjing pangle naik serning rupa hau mensing kahon berthei long tang ye trong basa kan men tôi ang yu bonio